Yo, what up, Joyce? 007, what up? I'm wondering what we're gonna. Definitely an interesting day. Definitely an interesting day. Yo, what up, Flip? I'm doing very good. How about you? We got some snow. I'm gonna go sleigh riding with my kids after the market. Oh man. I traded a little bit today. Got some gains in all my funded accounts. All the funded accounts have gains. So I am doing quite well already. Yeah, I passed a my funded futures account last night. I just held long. I mean, that's all I did was just because my funded futures doesn't have the trailing drawdown. So I just bought 3 contracts, set it for $3,000 in gains, and just let it rip. Just I've done that before. It seems like it's literally it's the pass rate is high when there's like an event that I know is going on. It's gonna go one way or the other way enough for you to pass overnight. And as long as you get a good entry, uh, yeah, it definitely works. Definitely works. Oh man. I want to test out some of the scripts, but it's so hard to test out a script on a day that the actual markets aren't even open. So it's just kind of rough. I got some things I wanted to back test, and I just can't. I can't do it today. I mean, today's a little rough. I don't know if you watched some of the videos I put out. But There's a couple of things I wanted to play around with. Let me see if I can bring it onto the screen. I don't know exactly where I have it. Hold on. Did I get rid of it? I don't know what I did with it. Hey, what up, Racer? I had a I had some freaking, what do you call it? Oh, it's on this. Haha, I see it. I see it. So people were bitching over the weekend that I did this script, right? Because it uses linear candles. So I took the linear candles off. And look, You would have sold right here. Cool. You'd only be up 57 freaking points. I mean, I don't know what people want. People will just complain about everything. People complain about everything. So it is what it is, right? It feels like we're going to go lower. Boom. Man, I'm done. I was $11 away from passing a 50K account. Put on 2 micros, snowball, blew the account, then blew a few more evals. Jeez. That's that full tilt, baby. That's that full tilt. I'm trying to work this account back. This account has this account was down to like $200, so I'm just trying to get it back to life. I'm still trying to beat my 38 cents away from pass. Woo! That was a drop. See, we gonna get that the VWAP bounce. There we go. There we go. I got it in this eval. And I just got it in this too. $75. Boom. That was nice. What happened? Tariffs are back on, back off. Well, China is up because he brought the Chinese VP is going. This is the first time in the history that foreign leaders are going to be at the exchange of power in the U.S. So, I mean, he's got the China VP coming by, somebody in Argentina, Georgia, Italy. He's got a lot of foreign leaders coming, considering they've never been. I think there's like 7 of them. On top of that, all the tech giants are there. There's gonna be some big things happening. Oh man. Boom. Another one. 11 goddamn dollars. Yeah. What up, Mike? What VWAP do I have? I have the CE VWAP, but it's not in the same area of yours. So I'm using CEVWAP. I have said multiple times on the stream though. So what happens is watch, zoom out like I'm zooming out, zoom out to like this, and you're gonna see that you're gonna see it recalculate. It basically has to recalculate like every day. That's why I leave it on TradingView right here, so I can always make sure that it's working correctly on my my thing. You are running linear regression candles off screen, Cove. I have them right here. I didn't. From all the bitching, the buys and sells don't change. See, the buys and sells don't change. So being that people were just commenting constantly that, oh, you're looking at linear candles and didn't actually try it themselves, the buys and sells don't actually change. I mean, you're still positive. I mean, you would have made money. The first one I would have taken was this one. So you would be up. You would have got in at 737 and you'd be up, I don't know, 70 points. Your day would probably be done at that point. You know, I got a couple things I'm working on also with not just using one. So I've been making those videos using one indicator, right? I'm going to start putting things together where it's like multiple indicators at the same time for confirmation and things like that. So that's why like this is down here. I'm just playing. I'm just playing with some stuff. You know, I'm trying to make it super simple. That's all. You know, I'm not going to stop trading how I trade. I'm just trying to do this other thing that will be super simple for newer people to come in and kind of, you can be profitable off of it and then build off of it and do your own thing, you know? The only thing I have off screen right now, yeah, like a good starting point for somebody new. And it's like, hey man, if you're brand new, this is what your setup should be, and then build around it. That's all. So this is the only one I got off screen. I've out of all the trend ones, I've liked this one the best. Adaptive trend flow. What's it look like on dark theme? Kind of like it. So yeah, I don't know. Just kind of been playing around. So, you know, I like everything, man. I put everything out there on videos. So it's not like I'm hiding it from anybody. Like, it's out there. And if somebody wants to build on top of it and say, hey man, you should try this out, tell me. But don't just fucking leave a comment that's like, the indicator doesn't work, you're using linear candles. And it's like, bro, you haven't even tried it without the linear candles. So I don't know what you want. You know, I was like, clearly you didn't backtest it yourself because it is decent. I completely missed this. This is when we trade below and then we go back into the hourly orb. I would have got filled at 76. Yeah, you could have got your 10 points. I did a whole video about that when you trade like outside the hourly range and then you come back in. Oh, you know what trade happened today? I most definitely didn't take it. The 15-minute orb break. I wasn't that big of a fan of it, even though I did the video. I wasn't that big of a fan, and the reason why I wasn't that big of a fan is because I back tested the sweep back in, and the sweep back in was so much better. Like this would have been a sweep back in, and you would have gotten a lot more points than trying to scalp to the down. I also, only because it's not a normal trading day, I didn't take the opening range trade either today. Being that like I would have got filled at 26. I actually, it would have worked to the ups. It would have worked today. Is that how high the candle went? You would have got filled at 26. It might have worked. It might have not, depending on where you were at. Oh man, that would have been freaking iffy. Actually, you would have gotten into the upside because this candle up and then it would have went up even higher. You would have gotten filled and then it would have dropped. Yo, what up, Jay Fiska? Time to go long or too iffy? I mean, we just traded back into the hourly opening range. I mean, I would say it's more bullish than bearish. You know, your stop would be though like 74. I might take it with an eval on this dip. Let's see if we trade back through. What I don't like is you can't get over the 34. Like, I'm not taking this in a funded account. What up, David? Like, this is a funded account. I'm done with this account for the day. $400 in a funded account. I'm done with that. I'm done with this. This is a funded account, $200. This is maxed out for the day because of consistency rules. This one I could make extra money in. Let me see if it holds right here. But I'm not doing it in a funded account. It's not a funded account trade. Oh man, my back is so itchy. I just had to freaking do my whole driveway. I got snow in my driveway. I got freaking, was it rice? I'll take that. Keep it going. Move my stop up. That was nice for whoever took it.
Are you not entertained?
Yo, what up, Jay Styles?
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Oh, man. Mike Richard, 125. What'd you get, 125 off that? I haven't heard from Apex since all the drama a couple months ago. How are the rules now? They just changed the rules to how much money you can pull out, and you got to leave a buffer. So basically, you got to get to 52,600, which is the same as it's been. And I think you could take out $500, and you 500 or $600, and you leave the buffer in. I think you take 500 out, and then your drawdown stops at 50,100. And it's kind of good because you don't blow accounts. Like, I've blown a lot of funded accounts after taking payouts, leaving myself with like $400 of drawdown or $500 of drawdown. And then basically I would just blow the account. So I liked it. It's kind of good to stop me from doing stupid stuff. Yeah, I'm just freaking green. Green. Yeah. I don't know how many opportunities we're going to get for real good trades today, only because, the markets are technically closed. You can't trade any stocks right now. No options. Only the futures market is open till 1. So it's definitely, there's a lot less volume today. But, I want to come get some trades in, make some money. I'm super happy with how much money I made today so far. What is this? 1, 2, 300, basically 400, 775, 875. I don't know, $950 in funded accounts. That's a good day to me. This is risky. I think he's talking right now. Can I?
This is what my house looks
I need to get this linear regression in NinjaTrader. What funded accounts am I trading on, Jawan? Apex. I have a Tradeify account that's funded. Take Profit Trader Pro account. That's a funded account. But I kind of feel like I'm kind of done with damn. I kind of feel like I'm done with, what do you call it? Just funded accounts in general today. I might or may not. Yo, how many kid voters do you think Trump just won over with the whole TikTok thing? TikTok literally thanked him. You need to get the linear regression, the linear regression candles or linear regression channels in NinjaTrader. Dude, Trump coin was wild over the weekend, man. I didn't play Trump coin, and I went to play Melania coin, and I couldn't transfer my Sol to my Sol wallet. So, oh, the camel code? They might have something like it. How do I play those Ponzi coins? Like, how do I actually do it on Dex Tools? Yeah, on Dex Tools. How, as in, why would I do it? Because it would have been easy money to just buy and sell it a couple hours later when everybody else bought it. You know, I wasn't looking to invest in it. I could have bought Melania coin at like $3.50. It went up to $14. I would have made about 10 grand with what I was going to put in there. So, you know, it would have been a nice Sunday for me. But, you know, it just didn't work out. Yeah. Dude, Dex is just degenerate. Oh, Dex Tools. You got to go to Dex Tools, and you need a wallet. You need a Phantom wallet. Phantom wallet is what you need for Sol, and I use MetaMask for Ethereum. Yo, what up, Corey? But Dex Tools allows you to buy them. Fast track crypto trading. Yo, did you see Trump's going to pardon Scott? On day one, he's going to pardon him. Do I think it's risky? 1,000%. I don't really play crypto coins at all, but I knew that if you can get in within the first half hour, there was be enough follow through to bring it higher. So I was willing to do it. Oh, set it up, Corey. Set it up. How come I didn't play Trump coin? I didn't know about it. By the time I knew about it, it was already at $25. Even though it went higher, I wasn't gonna just join in then. Yo, I have a feeling that when Trump starts talking, this market's gonna go crazy. Yo, what up, Waldo? What up, John? Yeah, I mean, I saw the dip to like $22 and I could have bought it and then sold it, but you know, I didn't. I just didn't. Could have. But I'm going to send money to my Sol wallet and just wait for the right opportunity. And I'll always have Sol then in the wallet just waiting. Yeah, I could definitely see this whole market being a sell the news event. I'm doing really good today. What's going on, Kitty? Just so weird. The pump was the election, the dump. Yeah, that's how I feel. I definitely feel that way. I actually thought the beginning of it was today. Like, this would have been like, just dump it. But everyone's starting to take their seats. I got it up on my other screen. I'm just curious what happens when he starts talking, if we start ripping or we start dumping. Kisan, what I think he did was, I think he did that as a big FU for everybody that like drained his money on all these lawsuits and everything over the last 4 years. And he just made more money in 2-3 days and made it all back plus more as a big FU. I mean, he made so much money. He did. I'm just gonna freaking. This is an all in. Oh man, market's gonna start algoing. People are sitting down. The Trumps just walked in. What up, banging? Made money everywhere. I want to see what happens when he gets to the podium. Like, do we just freaking rocket into is this thing just gonna rocket? Yeah, he's about to speak. They're getting ready. Yo, what up, Michael? I just think that when he comes on, the algo candles are gonna go freaking crazy, one way or another. Jeff Bezos is sitting there. Oh, Zuckerberg's there. Zuck is sitting right next to Bezos' wife. It's like Bezos is or his girlfriend Zuck and Zuck's wife. I have it up on my other monitor. I'm more interested in when he comes up, what the market does. You know, once he comes up, are we going to start just taking off or are we going to just start unloading? And I don't want to get fooled beforehand. You know, Mike Pence is there. Yo, what up, Cards fan? Rosales in the house. Oh, they're all standing up. A lot of money in that room. Oh, Bill Clinton is walking in with Hillary. Hillary looks like she didn't think this was going to happen again. Put on the stream. There's nothing being. There's no talk. There's no sound. I just put the volume on. There's no sound. How's the TradingView testing going? It's going really good. I've been using it today, and obviously the results just speak for themselves. I mean, I'm up. You know, all my PA accounts are up. I passed an account earlier, but like evals are, you know, $725 is my full take profit. What do you think? We're going up? I took 2 stops and stops today. Slow market today. Yeah. I have pretty severe scoliosis. Hillary's the only thing more crooked than my spine. Jesus. I just took it away, and now that I'm up, it's sad. Wait, what happened? Well, hold on 1 second. What happened? That I took what did I take away? Did I take something away? What up, Bob? All the Supreme Court justices are coming in. What up, footballer? Trading ticks. Oh man, I have a feeling it's going to get real algo-y real soon. I got a Bullnox account. I'm probably just gonna let me see what we got. 90. Let me see. I'm gonna start slamming some evals. See what we could do here. Try to ride the Trump train up or down. Yeah, Corey. Yo, they've been trading on inside information for years, bro. They got all that money. They got that Nancy Pelosi money. You can almost tell who voted for who as they walk in. Some people look real happy, some people not that much. Trump's children just walked in. What was that? Donald Jr. Woo! Thinking of getting a couple Tradeify evals. Is that a good idea? I have one Tradeify account. It's straight to funded. I only use them for straight to funded, to be honest with you, because the cost of the eval just didn't make sense last time I looked at it. So I use them for straight to funded accounts only. They're the only straight to funded account that I would say, when they're running a deal makes sense. Kind of looks like one big flag, and we're going to go up. How big is the Tradeify? Mine is 100K. 100K. What I don't like about it completely is the fact that I think I need to get to $6,000 with only a $3,000 drawdown. So it's like my profit target is double the drawdown, which is not great, but I guess you sacrifice for going straight to funded. Just being real. What's going on? Maybe it's not set up to trade on these off days. Dude, he's about to roll out. I wonder when he comes out, is it just a massive spike? Do we just get some massive spike when he comes out? He's about to come out. Well, not him. Not him. I'm waiting. Well, we're waiting. Yeah, and it could definitely dump. I mean, it could definitely dump. It could definitely be sell the news. I wouldn't trade a funded account. That I could tell you. I wouldn't be sitting here with a funded account saying, you know, the chart in general looks really good. I mean, you got a V recovery here, consolidation, you broke out, you're consolidating, and now you're going to move up back over the 15-minute bottom, or, you know, if anything, I think you're going to get like a flash up, flash down type scenario. If you don't even use my code and you just use the link, I get credit for it. If you click on that and just go to it and use the other code, I think I still get credit. And you get the off. Like I tell everybody, man, do whatever saves you the most amount of money. I'm here for you to save the most amount of money. So if it saves the most amount of money, go use that. But if you use the code, it might also still give you 30% off straight to funded and 50 off evals. I didn't test it out today. Do I benefit from Bullnox codes? I think I make $1 for everybody that gets a Bullnox account. They have a 91% off. 91% off. Oh man, it seems like everybody's in there. I think they're all standing waiting for him. You don't think they have it anymore? I think they have it through, last night they stopped it. Yeah, last night was the, oh no, they still have it, 91% off. What's crazy is it says it ends yesterday, but it's still in the dashboard. I wonder if it still works. Yeah, Flip. If you get a Bullnox account and use my code, I get $1. Yeah. What's weird is it says it ends yesterday, but it's still in the dashboard. Usually it leaves the dashboard. So I don't know. It may not work because it does say it ends yesterday. Oh, bad. I'm wondering if they just flash it up real quick, like just shoot it real high up. Gotta get. I haven't seen Elon though. They just showed him. I'm just waiting. I want to see if it just freaking goes bananas. Obama. Oh, Dana White is there. Jeez. George Bloom. What's going on? What's up, Enrique? Crashed out in full port in Zadia. What's up, F1? Conor McGregor is there? That's wild. I will say, it just seems like he's a more man of the people than other presidents because he was like in business and things like that. And I feel like they should push more business guys to be president rather than just straight up politicians. In not only the president role, but like more other roles of the government, they should have more business people involved rather than just politicians. I just feel like, you should have X amount of years of business to get in. Yeah, but it just gives them a little knowledge. Like, I don't know. I just feel like they'd have more knowledge. I'm not saying they could work at JP Morgan or I don't know, just somewhere where they could. I don't want to get smoked on like a fucking huge ass down candle, so I'm just moving this up. I might just take my profits. I just take baby gains there because I don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah, yeah, no, I'm with you. That's kind of why I like the idea of like Elon. Like he's got enough money that he doesn't need money. Just people that really don't need the money. Elon's a pumper and dumper. I think Biden just asked if this is all for him. He's like, look at him. He has no idea. I think he just asked if this is the start of his second term. I do not sell strangles. You can't go from making $250 a year to making $100 billion. Yeah.
He thinks he still lives in life.
Been watching a couple of videos about strangles. Yeah, I don't really do that. When you sell them, the stock has to stay within a certain area for you to make money, right? The problem is if it goes one way or the other way enough, you can just get smoked and left with nothing. And I don't want to be left with nothing. At least the worst case scenario, how I do it, I'm left with the stock. Yo, man, that dude looked lost 4 years ago. It's crazy. But he's out there, man. He's wondering if they're serving ice cream. Selling 15 Delta Strangles on SPY. Yeah, I would have to look into that. I mean, I don't know anything about yeah, and you just keep rolling it out. It could definitely work. It could definitely work. I've never tried it. I mean, I could look into it. Yo, Clinton. Clinton's wondering if everybody saw his painting at Epstein's house. Oh, baby, he's about to walk in. I'm waiting to see what way the market goes. Yo, what up, chat? Yeah, I'll definitely look at it without a doubt, man. 100%. Oh, here it comes. It's happening right now. His wife's walking in right now. His wife just walked in. Here comes the pump. There we go. I bought 5 micros. Let's see what happens. I bought 5 micros. Yo, Paul, any new millionaires? I wish. I tried buying Melania coin at $3 yesterday, and Solana was congested and I couldn't get it. So Biden's actually walking in there right now with Kamala. Oh, it dropped. Last I looked, it was like $8, down from like 14. You know, there's some bag holders on that. Yeah, I tried to get it at $3. I saw the tweet come out, like, and then I bought Sol, and then I went to transfer it to my Phantom wallet, and it never got transferred. So, yo, if someone slips. Oh, Vance just came in, so Trump's next. Yo, Vance has a crazy background. Crazy background. I think he's going to be the next one after Trump. I told you guys to turn on, by the way, just throwing it out there to all you guys. I told you to go on Twitter, follow Trump, and turn on your alerts. And if you did, you would have found out about Trump coin and all the other coins all week. Just remember who told you to do it last week. I told you to do it actually a couple weeks ago. Oh. Oh, man. I thought Vance was second to last to walk in, but apparently not. A couple other people walking in. Woo! Tell you what, the market's kind of like dead. The market in general, it has just that grind up look. Even if we weren't doing this, what do you guys think? Dump or pump? We thinking dump or pump? What are we thinking here? What, Jeff Bezos? Jeff Bezos was next to Zuck. It was like Bezos, Bezos's girlfriend, and then Zuck's wife. Oh, baby. Yo, market's dumping. Is this the dump? Dude, I thought the market would pump like 50 points when he got on stage, but apparently not. Yo, what up, Lee? What up, what up? This is why I'm not testing any of the scripts out today or anything. Like the market's kind of shit. You know, it's hard to test scripts out and things like that when the market is got no volume. He's more orange than normal. Hey, all, I need this pump. Oh, geez, Ray. I mean, so he's going to start doing all his stuff, I guess, later today and tomorrow, where he starts. You know, there's going to be a lot of things happening later on today and tomorrow. The market's going to be closed tonight until 6 p.m. But I know there's going to be a lot of things rolling out within the next 24 hours. You went in hard long. It's just the price action is just kind of, you know, we're not really getting much either way. Don't deport me, bro. Why, Folly? You're from another country in the U.S.? Where are you from, Folly? Man, this is wild. Oh, you're in Louisiana? I'm still up 1,800, but greedy. Dude, is that 1,800 in a funded account? If I was up 1,800 in a funded account, I'd probably call it a day. Let's go. Pump it up, baby. Pump it up. Where's BTC at anyways? Man, I'm starving. I didn't even eat. Full degen mode. Yo, what up, Sean? Ace. Yeah, I need a win. Today started out awful. Probably shouldn't have even been trading. Dude, I wasn't going to trade today, but every time I say I'm not going to trade and I trade, I do well. Like, that's a funded account. This one's funded. And then these are all funded. And I'm like, I would have none of those gains if I didn't trade. Yeah, I would. I mean, that's why I don't do crypto. I kind of need time off. So I don't really engage in crypto. Otherwise it'd be like an all weekend thing also. That's why I don't gamble on sports. That's why I don't do coins. It's just gives me time. If you make 1,500 one day and another 1,500 another day on a 50K, can you just flip the remaining days to get a payout? What? What prop firm, Keeson? God, I clicked the button. Oh, that sucks, Sean. Yeah, sorry to hear that, bro. Apex has a 40% consistency rule, so you couldn't do that. Bullnox has a 40% consistency rule. You couldn't do that. In my funded futures, if you have the starter plus plan, you could do that because there's no consistency rule. You're talking about funded accounts, right? Or evals. If you're talking about funded accounts, only my funded futures starter you could do that with. Pre-positioned assets that get deployed for the pumps. Is that what it is? You need $50 per day, Fred? Stay blue in the house. Oh, all these people are talking. Yeah, it sucks, Sean. At least, I mean, honestly, like 14 years, that's a good amount for a dog. I mean, I've had some big dogs that didn't pass 10, which sucks. And then you get the small dogs last. The small dogs live so much longer. My mom's dog lived to like 18 or something. Dude, that's pretty long for a Great Dane, man. Yeah, Keeson, 50. You need $50. I think it's 8 days. $50 constitutes a trading day. Oh, out of the 8? Just pump it. Come on. I want to see more. Oh, I want to see more. I will take profits, but I'm kind of at break even right now. So oh, give me the pump. Pump, pump. I am looking forward to tomorrow being like a real trading day, though. This price action sucks. And I am afraid that they're just going to dump it here. Joe's face is killing me. Bro, Joe's looking for ice cream, man. He's wondering if he has to give up his room. No. I don't like that we're not getting the pump. I do not like that we're not getting the pump. I thought we would be getting a good sized pump. When the priest stops talking, the Trump pump, PG. Yeah. I lose here, I'm out on Monica. Yeah, this looks like we're who's this guy? Oh, is Biden going to make a speech? Tell me Biden's going to make a speech. You thought Monica was in reference to Friends? No, it's the Fast and Furious when he's about to lose. And he's like, Monica! Ja Rule, baby. So you can still get the buy. This is what it is, the buy and sells without the linear candles. You know, because somebody complained and they're like, oh, well, that's not the real way you're getting in. So you can still run the UT bot without the linear candles. But the one thing that the linear candle allows you to do is you're looking for you're looking for it to stay, below this line. Like the sell signal, it has to be below. Ooh, are they dumping it? There's a lot of things giving me sell signals right now. Holy shit. How is that indicate? So it's hard to test an indicator on a day that that the market's not like a real market day. I wouldn't count anything that happens today as a real forward test, to be honest with you. So I have both candles on here real quick. Let me just. See, so like first green candle, you're out on. So like you would have sold right here and you would have got out right away. Bro, it's dumping. Oh, they're swearing in Vance. I don't know. What do you think? We're going to sell the news here? I want to play it because I think it's going to go one way or the other fucking hard. I'm a bot. Run us. Did you say run to the 7-Eleven short term? I don't know what a 7-Eleven short term with a 15-11 long term line is, to be honest with you. But if you show me how to do it, I can make another tab for you. You're getting a lot of sell signals. Not only that, you flip this fair value gap on the 15. See, this is the interesting part. Like, that's been the trend for the 4 hour since December, December 16th. This has been the trend. And then we broke it, which is bullish, but I wonder if we come back and retest it. Oh, settings on the linear. It doesn't change the, what do you call it? It doesn't change the buy and sells. It's like you'd be out here. First green candle. those buy and sells are based on something else. I don't know what it's based on. I'll look at the. I mean, this is the code, right? That line is a simple moving average line. Hold on. Yeah, it's based on ATR value. Signal from hiking candles. Yeah, ATR. Trump's kid is like 6'10". Yo, he's big, man. Super big. Yeah, I mean, Ray, this isn't real market conditions. This is just, you know, this is, what do you call it? Just a half a day of trading. You know, it's a holiday. A lot of financial institutions are closed. You know, this is just. I should have been done. I was up in all my funded accounts. I was up. I don't get why his wife's wearing that hat that's like so low. The hat's literally like this. Trump coin tankage. Yeah, I can see that. I get $45 back right there. I got these 3 take profit trader evals halfway done too. She's probably just coasting for the week. Yeah, I mean, hey, we'll be back to normal trading tomorrow. Yo, where's Hunter at? Is he there? Anyone see Hunter? Melania coin tankage too? Oh, geez. I mean, all those coins were definitely sell the news. I mean, yo, what up, Baba? Please don't buy meme coins. I tried to buy the Melania coin at like $3, and I couldn't get in because the Solana network was all jacked up. I feel like this is going to be a dumpage, but we'll see. I mean, the market closes in 50 minutes. Bro, I saw some guy put his whole life savings in Haktua. Crazy. He's coming on. Let me see. I've got fantastic bottle air for sale. It's amazing. Just open the bottle and breathe when you need it. What up, Ivan? I could patch it through if you guys want. You guys, put in the chat if you want me to patch it through. Just put like a Y, a yes or a no if you want me to patch it through.
Thank you very much, everybody. Well, thank you very, very much. Vice President Vance, Speaker Johnson, Senator Thune,
I want to see if he talks about crypto.
Justices of the
You talking about this?
United States Supreme
These are linear regression candles and UT bot alerts is what this is.
President
I'm going to test this out starting tomorrow. I'm not going to test it out on I can't test it out on a day that is like a holiday. Like it's a holiday. I can't test it out because it could work. It could not work. It's just not a true test. I never used it for Forex. Why'd you stop, Ray? What was the deal? Did you make too much money? You were tired of winning? Were you like, please, please?
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Because you're not taking it anymore? Lux Algo makes some really good indicators. Lux Algo makes some. I'm going to start putting together a couple multiple indicators because I've been doing the test of just a couple, and now I'm going to play around with more conditions and put it into like a trade plan. It looks like it wants to give it up. Oh, man. What's my number one indicator? Probably VWAP. VWAP is probably like the #1 go-to indicator. VWAP, the 200. Yo, Truth, what Lux algo indicator do you use? Which one are you using?
Order filled. Order filled.
Pay for signals and overlays. I don't know which one that is. Although I've only used their free stuff. Their free stuff is really good. I'm curious if they just unload this thing back down. I guess there was news today at 8:30. I didn't even see the news. Well, I'm going to start testing out some of these indicators. Like if we're above VWAP, below VWAP, above 200, below 200, if there's like a correlation for long shorts. You also really like Lux Algo QQE weighted. Does it look something like this at the bottom? I just found this yesterday. This QQE thing. I'm interested in it. I haven't back tested it. It's just I got to this point and QQE weighted. I'll just bring it up. Let's see. I was looking for a bottom indicator to correlate with the top. So I'll look at this. You know, something like I only want sells. Like say this alerted a sell, but we're below 70, I don't take it. You know, or something like that. You know, I would only look for sells when we're above 70 and then buys when we're maybe lower. I don't know. I'm gonna come up with something. I'm gonna come up with something. But I'm just
with dignity and power and strength. We will move with purpose and speed to bring back hope, prosperity, safety, and peace for citizens of every race, religion, color, and creed. For America.
you're getting lower highs. You got this high, this high, this high. It's getting freaking tight. It's getting tight. I use 1 minute and 5 minute time frame with that QQE and look for correlations. Yeah, I'll look at it. I'm kind of agreeing with you, Knob. I kind of feel like it's gonna shit the bed. It feels very shitty. We'll see what happens. Housekeeping is going to walk off the job. 30 sheets everywhere. Yeah. Hey, hopefully you got it, man. Millions and millions and billions. Turd smears all over the walls. Pascal, NQ closes at 1 p.m. Closes in 40 minutes. I think 1. It could be 1:15. I can look. I don't know. Well, it's 1 or 1:15. It's one of those. I would think we were going to trade back down to at least 77. You know, I also think this is the 4-hour chart. We broke the trend to the upside. I wouldn't be surprised if we retest this trend and then go up. Again, don't deport me, bro. Darrell must have been low on cash. Market closes in like 45 minutes. Yo, I could see him just being done. Oh, man. Once he's done talking, just it dumps. But he's got to be done talking. Dude, I finally saw I saw Landman finally last night. If you haven't seen Landman, you should watch it. It was pretty good. Free long coupons no longer valid. I mean, it looks good. I mean, it definitely looks good. I just think there's more room to the down.
Order filled.
Holy fuck. Yo, did he choke? Yo, I got filled on the way down. Just, I'm halfway done. Dude, I just made 200 and... Oh, man. Dude, that happened so fast. It just filled my order on the way down. Yo, that's real money. $214 of real money. That's my AMP account. Holy shit. That was freaking wild. Yo. Dude, I don't know what he said. That's why I wanted to have it on, to be honest with you. Damn glad I closed the... Oh, as soon as you said something about electric cars, the market dumped. Giving China the EV market. Oh, baby. Dude, that was crazy. Well, I'm done with my AMP account. That's $214. 214 bucks for your boy. He said, I'll tariff and tax foreign countries to enrich our citizens. Yo, I told you that shit was going to happen. Watch China be down tomorrow big. China's up big right now. Watch. I'm trying. I'll be honest with you. That's a great hit though. 200 and something bucks in my personal account. I used 3 minis, 3 micros. That trade was. I'll go as high as 12 micros in my personal account. I just put a sell right under here and I just let it sit, and I had take profit like down here maybe, and it just went super quick. I didn't even know if it was going to get filled. I was hoping for like that, like an algo candle. I just went to take that. Fuck. Oh, I'm going to get stopped out. I wanted to take it down here, and I just fucking moved too fast. Moved way too fast. Saw that coming. Saw that coming. 12 micros? Yeah. I only put a couple $1,000 in it, Yan, because I don't know if I'm staying with AMP. I might move out from AMP. It was more like a test. It was a test account to see if I wanted to trade with AMP. It was between AMP, Tradeovate. I don't know why I didn't just get a Tradeovate account, but it was AMP, Tradeovate, and something else. Dude, this guy. It's going to be an interesting night for futures. You're probably going to get a lot of movement all night in the futures space. Wow. It's all speculation. It's just as he talks, the algos are just picking up random stuff. Yo, that's crazy. Just looking for some scalps. I hate the no drawdown. That's the worst. You just blow it. Look at that. Just making it. I mean, honestly, though, the candles aren't that big. You know? Yo, my net bob, my funded futures rebuild me over the weekend. And all I did was go all in last night with it, and it passed the account in one day. The old 1 day pass. I just went long because I figured it would run up into Trump. Yeah, I mean, it's almost like 1.5 points. What is that? Eight ticks? 8 tick spread. I believe it's the old prices. You're locked in. I believe you're locked in. And then once you pass the accounts, obviously that account's done. No, I wish. I just don't have it up. I don't have it up. Yeah, if that's happening, Ray, just chill out. Man. If we invade the Panama Canal, we ain't doing that. Price action is booty. I mean, for a holiday, you're getting some really good action. I mean, I'm done with my funded accounts. But get that booty action. I got to put my phone on the charger. Charge my phone up. Oh. Dude, he's not going to do no Panama Canal, you know. No way. No way. I just don't see it personally, but you know, you never know. Yo, what do you think? Speech ends and it just dumps? Never know. Is he done talking? I turned it off. I'm going to listen to the whole thing later on. Oh, Coach, she's done? I mean, yo, what was that? Did you watch Narcos? Where like the president of Panama was helping the drug trade? We should have made Zimbabwe too, just because. Get them diamonds. Oh man, I'm so tired. I'm so hungry. I hope I have food in the house. I gotta go out. I gotta go sleigh riding in like a half hour. Why they stay? I have no idea. I don't know if it's a thing they always do. I don't know what the deal is. I'm just trying to trade, trying to make some money. Yo, there you go, Kisan. There you go. I just feel like they're gonna dump it. Where is BTC price? Oh, it's at 103. Where was it at on the 17th? So it's a little. Get all the house cleaning, dude. Uh, if you want to take a full payout, Kisan, you need 4,100. You could take a less of a payout with less amount of money. What do you think? It's just gonna freaking unload? Yeah, that's wild. Especially if you mark it in, you just be hosed instantly. An instant hosing. I think the pastor did come up and say stuff first.
The markets are closed.
Yo, Topstep just closed the markets. Dude, Topstep closed markets right now. Dude, that's crazy. I mean, I'm probably going to lose this trade, and then that's how my day is going to end. That's how I feel my day is. I thought it was one of your meme. What? Nah. Topstep closed their markets for the day. I guess Topstep's done trading. Futures close at 1 or 1:15, so I don't know what the deal is. Whatever. Dude, that's crazy. Yo, take profit trader will fail you if you're in till the last moment. Apex just closes your trades, I believe. Apex just closes the trades, and it is what it is. But yeah, take profit trader will fail you. What time does it actually close at? 1? Yeah, I think like 1 o'clock probably. Yo, it's just their edge, man. I wouldn't trade any longer with take profit trader for the rest of the day because you don't want to get caught. It's probably not worth trading the rest of the day anyways. The speech is done. You're just getting algo candles. You know. So I'm ready for tomorrow. I don't know. Take profit trader, I don't think they do close it automatically. I think you fail. I wouldn't have an open order left in take profit trader. I would definitely not have an open order. Yeah, they'll liquidate you. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. You most definitely don't want that. Dude, guys getting crazy. Bring Dana White on. I don't think they bring other people on to talk. I think that's at the convention, but that'd be freaking awesome. Let's see what time they close at. I want a big fucking drop. I'm trying to figure it out, Nism. I think it closes in 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Yeah. What up, JJR? I do not know, Truth. I would say I'd probably pay it sooner than later. I'll take that. 94 bucks. I would pay it sooner than later, man. You know, I wouldn't let it sit there for 3 weeks. But if you're going to leave it sitting there for a while, I'd probably just ask Take Profit Trader and say, hey, you know, what the deal is. Oh, you can pay whenever. If you wait, though, you might get the monthly rebill if you don't activate it. But if you used my coupon code recently, it should be zero activation fee unless you just bought it. It's brand new. I got an email from TFT. Hi, Cove. Who's TFT? Yeah, I didn't go to the gym today either with the snow. I went out and got rid of snow for an hour outside of my driveway. But oh, you got an email about the market from probably Take Profit Trader. I get it. Okay. Yeah. I got it. My bad. I don't Oh boy, was that a dildo candle? That wasn't that. I mean, that was 20 points. I assume that, yeah, we're probably going to close right at 700. right at 700 probably. $701.25. Sadly, trader really poorly with this price action. I think, yo, I'm telling you, yo, what up, Chris Boba? What up? What up? I am looking forward to getting back to regular trading tomorrow. Trump's thing is now done. The holiday is done. We're now getting further away from January 1st, and I think we're going to be back to normal volume. Volume's going to start really coming into the markets, and we're going to really see what the theme is going to be. There's definitely going to be a theme going forward in the markets in general, and you're probably going to figure out what that theme is going to be soon. Whether it's going to be the whole tariff thing, is it going to be Panama or taxes? There's going to be a lot of things going on that obviously you should know when trading futures, but if you're trading stocks and options, you should definitely know about it. I think it's going to be a real interesting next couple months. Quantum computing is out there. There's a lot. Oh, man. I thought we were getting great price action this morning, like, the rip, the dump, the V consolidation. We broke out. We started going up. Like, I love that. And then all of a sudden it just shit itself. Yeah, that's true. The tax loss gain harvesting, everybody that sold their stuff, the January bouncers, as they're called, that's done. It's going to be an interesting get back to normal. The cats and dogs living peacefully again. I mean, we started this year off so far. I feel like we've started this year off pretty strong. We've taken multiple payouts with prop firms. If you follow along on stocks and options, we made a lot of money there too. We're up over 10 grand. And I just want to keep winning. Just keep winning all year. Payouts. Just make a ton of money.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
I want you guys to tell me that you can't take winning anymore. Oh, man. Man, these comments on YouTube spamming Joe Biden's nursing home behind. Yeah. People are straight savages on YouTube. I'll be honest with you, we made a lot of money. We got 3 prop firm payouts already. We made a lot in stock and options. If you look, we're moving up. All these PA accounts are moving up towards a payout. These are real close to a payout. This one's over the payout. This one's moving up. I just got 2 more funded accounts today. One in my funded futures, one in Apex, and halfway over what do you call it? Topstep one. Trump just got an order. It's okay to win again. Yeah. Nice, JJR. What Oh, you're only $250 away from passing if it's a 50K. I'm going to start running them tomorrow. I made one trade with it. I traded this right here, 57. I traded this account with it today once. Adaptive trend flow is one of them. But there's rules that go with it. It's not just following a buy or a sell. So basically the rules that come up with this, so see how it activates? It activates at this candle close, right? Which is $6.99. One of the rules is you wait for a 10-point pullback. So you would have actually got in at 709, and then you take profit. When you get in, you set your take profit for 20 points for half, and then once you do that, you move the other half to break even, and then you kind of let it ride. So it's not just following the indicator. There's rules around it. So you're trying to get 20 points for half your position and then like 40 points for the other half. But you're going to move up to break even and just keep moving it up. This account only gets traded like that. Oh, man. But I was super worried today because it's a holiday and all the other shit. So I took profit quick, and it was what it was, you know. All right, let's run this shiznick. Yo, if anybody's new here, just let everybody know. We stream every day, 10:30 in the morning till noon. And then we stream again 2 p.m. till about 4:35 until people are done asking questions and we go over things and we're shooting the shit. If you want to support the channel, use coupon code COVETRADER. It will give you the biggest discounts at all the prop firms. That's what allows us to give away free accounts also. So if you like free accounts, go use the coupon code. We give away free accounts on Monday, Friday, and again, another one during the middle of the week. Hopefully people that need them win them. That's what it's about. People keep asking me for whatever reason about like the best prop firms. So I'm going to make a whole video today about it. The perks, the pros, the cons of each. Easiest to get payout. So if you want to watch, I'll post it around 6:30, 7 o'clock tonight. Let's ride. Hey, Cove, has Apex ever locked you out of your account for making too much? No. Never got that before in my life. Yo, Empress, what are the trade lines you have placed? I can go over that right after this. I use standard pivots, if you're wondering if maybe that's what you're talking about. But I will show you right after this. Yeah, JJR, thanks, man. I'm going to run this. I'm going to show him the lines, and I'm going to go sleigh riding. Luckily, I have a hill in my backyard that we're going to go on, so I don't have to go anywhere. Go make myself some hot tea. Like a real man, I drink it pinky up. And then we'll go, I'm going to go sleigh riding. Go have some fun. Yo, it is cold. That's weird that you're unable to connect with your Ninja Trader. I would just see if tomorrow, if you could connect at like 7 o'clock tonight, and if you can't connect at 7 o'clock tonight, I'd contact Apex. How many days profitable before you take Apex payout? 8. You just got to trade for 8 days, and you got to make $52,600 in a 50K account. Yo, what if making that big move? What if? Oh shit! Did they just play you? Cat. Yo, it's 106. It's 106. You got 2 minutes. What line were you talking about? Impress. What lines are you talking about? Are you talking about these blue lines? It's you. Shoot me an email. I don't know what Impress. I don't know what lines you're talking about. If you're talking about these blue lines, this is the blue line is the 15-minute opening range and the hourly opening range. You can see it easy here. This is the 15-minute opening range. This is the hourly bottom opening range, and the same is 15 and hourly are both this line. Dude, I almost had you. You never had me. You never had your duck. Well, you got it. You got it. I've been back testing an automated strategy. I followed a strategy with adaptive trend flow, and for now I have an 80. Yeah, adaptive trend flow is legit. I think Jay Fiska, I tested adaptive trend flow, and it was like an 80-something% win rate. I think it was 86% win rate on how I was doing it, and I want to make it even better if possible. Oh, is the red line the veil? This red line is the 105 EMA, which is the 21 on the 5-minute chart. We go above highs tonight if the market is open. Market opens at 6 p.m. tonight. How does the VWAP work? It's right here. How's my Topstep account? I blew the funded account and I halfway to pass another one. Yeah, hey, Impress, come in, ask questions, hang out. Like I said, I stream every day, 10:30 to noon, and then again at 2 p.m. till 2 p.m. to the end of the day. So come, make sure you subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and you'll get notified when I'm live, and come hang out. Oh, awesome. If Trump Duck had won today for the first time, dude, that would have made my day. That'd been awesome. He hasn't won yet. No Trump Duck has ever won. As traders, we have to ask Cardi B that. Only she knows the VWAP works. That's freaking great. Email sent. All right, I'll check. Yo, later, 007. Oh. All right, guys. I'm going to go sleigh riding. I'll be back tomorrow at 10:30. If you want to support the channel, use the coupon code. We'll probably give away more accounts this week. And I will see you at 10:30 tomorrow. And that concludes the day. Hopefully you guys made money. And that's it. Peace.